So next is product of linear transformations. So you have, if you have two linear transformations, say T1 and T2, T1 is from V to W and T2 is from U to W, then their product will also be a linear transformation from U to W. I am leaving it as an exercise for you. I am just giving this hint to you that T1 into T2 of U will be defined like this. So using this definition you will prove this property, and if it holds then we will say that T1 into T2 is a linear transformation. Define linear algebra or algebra. Say V is a vector space over a field F, then this V over F is said to be algebra or linear algebra if it follows these three consequences. First one is actually associative property under multiplication. Second one is distributive property under multiplication, that is if you have x, y, z as some vectors from V, then x into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz, and x plus y into z, that is equal to xz plus yz. These two are known as distributive laws over multiplication. And third property is if you take scalar from field and then take product of two vectors, then the scalar is distributive over these two vectors as shown in property number 3. So if a vector space along with all the properties of vector space satisfies these three properties, then that vector space is known as linear algebra or algebra. So if along with these properties the commutative property under multiplication also holds, then it is known as commutative algebra. And if there exists a unity element, that is a multiplicative identity which is 1, if this also holds, then this is known as linear algebra with unity. So next theorem is a consequence of this this we already shown that set of all linear transformations from U to V is a this vector space. So now we will prove that set of all linear transformations from same space into same space, that is from V onto V, this is actually a algebra with unity. So what you need to prove, that you already have properties of vector space from the previous theorem where we proved that linear space from U to V is this set of all linear transformations from U to V is a linear and this vector space. So you only need to prove these three properties, and you need to prove that identity also holds. Now I am just proving this first property for you, other two I am leaving for you. Now how will elements of this vector space look like? These are actually linear transformation, R, S, T, they are linear transformations from V to V. I am taking three elements from this. Now I will prove that what I need to prove, R into Sg is equal to, I am going to prove the first property for you, that is equal to Rs into T. Okay, so now let us take some element U from a vector space V on which we will apply this. So Rst of U, how it will look? It will look Rst of U, and now T of U, but it will. So now observe this R into S, I am combining it Rs, and I am writing this T of U like this. Okay, so this is Rs, now I am writing this T. Now combination of linear transformations is again a linear transformation. So this Rst, this is actually a linear transformation, so U will be applied on it. So what we have proved? We have proved that Rst of U is equal to Rst. Similarly, you can try on your own to prove property 2 and 3, and also you have to prove that this is a linear algebra with the unity. So you need to prove that multiplicative, I am now leaving 2 and 3 property for you, that you will do yourself, don't leave them. Okay, so now I am proving that this is linear algebra with unity. I will take one, sorry, not take, I will prove that 1 belongs to this space linear transformation V into. This 1 in this space will not be there. What elements of this space are? The elements are the type of transformation. So identity in this space of linear transformations is actually a this identity transformation. So we define identity transformation from V1 to V. What type of it will look? It will look like the transformation which takes the vector onto itself. You can easily check the properties or you can verify at your end that alpha V1 plus beta V2 of identity, this is actually equal to alpha identity of V1 plus beta identity of V2. So this will prove that this is a linear transformation and it is a element of this vector space of all the linear transformation from V1 to V. So this I will actually act as identity. So this L from the space of all linear transformations from V1 to V is a algebra with unity.